Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My School Book. The poem for today is What a Bird Thought. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, "The world is made of leaves. I have been very blind." At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? Thank you. I hope you liked the poem. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And do like the page on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. God bless you.